Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Please subscribe. That's the only way that you're going to get notified when we post future videos. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. That's the only thing I'll ever ask you to do. If you're looking for downloads, forex robots, systems, indicators and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. But otherwise, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below if you have ideas of questions, topics that you want me to cover on, things that you need answers on. Like today's video we are talking about vix 75, volatility 75 index. It's also actually because some of you guys are struggling with forex trading. Some of you guys are having a hard time in forex trading, and I always wonder, but you do not have to be stuck in forex trading. If you've tried everything and forex is not working out for you, probably try other things. There are many markets out there. For example, we have got indices where you trade your NAS 100s, your US 30, your S&P 500 and stuff like that. Then certainly we also have stock trading. You can venture into stock trading. I know you can try to use brokers like IQ options and stuff like that. Definitely you can venture into stock option trading. Then you can also try to do synthetic indices like this, like volatility, boom and crash and things like that. There are so many opportunities. Of course, forex trading is the, let's say, the grandfather of all of this, because it's like the biggest market in terms of volume, in terms of money made, or money moved. In terms of money moved on a daily basis, the states, I think it's now about $6 trillion every day. So it certainly is the biggest market, but it's not the only market where you can make money. You can take the knowledge that you have used in forex trading and you can basically apply the same skills in the other markets that I've just mentioned, and you might be able to actually make some money. So today we are looking at VIX. So I'm going to do a couple of videos. That's why you need to subscribe and like this video. A couple of videos concerning VIX, how you can best trade VIX and make money with it. If you do not know, basically volatility, the volatility index is one of those indexes that are relatively easy to trade, because what the VIX does as an index, it actually measures the fear factor in the stock market. That's what it does. So when people are buying stocks and there's a lot of buying in the stock markets, you will find that a VIX tends to go down. Sorry about that. Then when you have a lot of fear in the market, people are selling their stocks and stuff, VIX goes up. So it's basically a measure of fear in the markets. So with that kind of understanding, you can actually make some money using volatility index trading. I do not know if you can hear noise in the background. I apologize. I am actually out somewhere, and seems like people decided to just come and show me their fancy cars here. But let's go on with the video. I just had to respond to a question. First of all, I said forex trading is not the only market out there. If you're struggling with forex, there are many other markets out there. For example, synthetic indices, for example, the indices and stuff like that. especially the synthetic indices, the good thing about them is whilst forex trades 5 days a week, the synthetic indices trade 7 days a week. Even during the holidays, you can still trade synthetic indices, but they are so volatile, so you can easily make money and you can easily lose money. It's just like trading with your nas 100s and the indices. They are very volatile, so you can basically make a lot of money in a short amount of time, but you can also lose a huge amount of money. So you need to be aware of that. Be careful with your risk management. Proper risk management, always apply proper risk management. So let's get into this simple strategy. It's a scalper's strategy. It's a scalper's strategy. So don't expect to be holding trades for too long with this strategy. It's basically for scalping. So what you want to do is, maybe let's start with how you can trade with this strategy. So basically we have two indicators there, the stochastic, and we have our moving average there as our dynamic support resistance. Your moving average is your dynamic support and resistance. So basically what we are aiming for is on the main chart. Ideally what you want is for price to come smashing into the moving average there. I don't know what's happening with my screen there. It's too sensitive. It's so sensitive, I don't know, for some reason, but you get the point. You want price to come back smashing into the moving average like so, and your stochastic, you want it to start curving up, then you know you are certainly in a buy. This is a 5-minute chart. You can actually use this to scalp the minute chart if you are up to it, but like I said, you need to be aware of your risk management. So if you can stick to 0.01 lot sizing or less than 0.05 depending on the size of your account, because you don't want to just lose your money. So if we drop down to the minute, let's see if I can do that. I'm trying to zoom out, but let me explain this on the 5-minute, but it works the same way on the minute. It works the same way on the minute. Let's go back to the 5-minute because now my screen is jumbled up. On the 5-minute, you can basically have, I think my phone is freezing up, a lot of stuff on this phone, a lot of stuff. So you can use this strategy on the minute and you can use it on the 5-minute. You can try to use it on the 15-minute, but basically it's a scalping strategy. You are getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. That's important to understand. You are not trying to hold trades for an hour or for 2 hours or for 4 hours. So the gold band there is my moving average, and it's generally to tell me the direction that I ought to be watching out for. I'm trying to zoom in. So generally the direction that I need to be watching out for according to this moving average is we are bullish, we are buying, we are bullish, we are buying. And now if we go down to the stochastic, if we take this instance, don't know why I can't get this to be so precise, somewhere there. I got it. So that was a perfect buy. And you'd buy there and you will hold it until the last high, the previous high, or until the stochastic starts turning back into the zone, like here, like the stochastic starts turning back into the zone. So there are two ways of exiting here. Either you just hold it to the next high where it was there and you close your trades, no harm. It's scalping. You do not hold your trades for 2 hours, for an hour. You are getting in, getting out of the market. So when you enter here, you hold your trade up to there. Of course, you might lose some of this, or you might actually have it if you probably choose to just trail your trade. Maybe you can hold it up to somewhere there, then you get out. You don't sell here. You don't sell. What we are looking for are only buys. So we are only looking for price to come back to the moving average. This I wouldn't have taken here. I wouldn't have taken that. I wouldn't have bought there, because I want price to do this. I want price to come into the moving average, then I can buy. Then there you can watch, you can see that it's actually matching with my stochastic. When the stochastic is in the middle ground here, we don't do anything. When it's around the 50 zone here, we don't do anything. We only want the stochastic to be at the ends there, then we can buy or sell. But since the moving average here is indicating buys, we are not interested in sales. We are only taking buys. We are going with the flow. We are not taking sales. If you want to gamble, you can take your sales, but trust me, the buys are where the juice is. There is the juice with the buys. The sales, they're just of course tracing, but the juice is with the buys. So you want to be on the right side of the market. So that's basically this strategy. It's a simple strategy that you can use. It's a scalper's strategy. It's important that you understand that we are scalping. Understand that. Don't try to hold these trades. This is 5-minute time frame. Don't try to hold these trades for an hour, for 30 minutes and stuff like that. We are getting in, getting out. If you are on the minute, if you are trading this strategy on the minute, getting in, getting out. So what are the settings on these indicators? As you can see at the bottom, basically the stochastic is your standard stochastic, and the setting is there is the setting. The period is 8, the D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field is low high, method is simple. You can make it exponential if you want. This time I'm using simple. Then you can make your levels. There is 20 and 80. Sometimes people prefer 10 and 90. It's up to you, but I prefer 20 and 80. Then if we go to the moving average, it's actually a 50 period moving average, which is exponential applied to close of price. That's all that you need with this strategy. It's scalping. You are scalping, getting in, getting out. Wait for price to come to your moving average, and when it matches the stochastic, like so, when it matches the stochastic is turning and price is starting to move away from your moving average, you buy and you hold your trade until the next high there, or would start there would close our trade. Or if you're ambitious, you would hold it until somewhere there and you close it don't look back, you close it, you don't look back, and we wait for the next trade. That's all that's to this strategy. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. We are going to be talking a lot about indices, about synthetic indices, other ways to make money with forex and indices and stuff like that. So you don't want to miss that. Subscribe, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section below if you have questions, if you've got topic ideas, or you want something answered. Until next time, bye.
Perfect.